Okay, so we are at 423 East High Street in Philadelphia, the Germantown neighborhood. And this is one of my listings that just went up. Wonderful home, built in 1905. It's a Victorian twin, so it shares a party wall with the neighbor next door. So one structure, 2 units. Lilacs are just beginning to bloom here, which is nice. So we have a sealed front cement patio with French doors on the front, and I'll show you those from the inside. It's a nice little wraparound porch. Okay. It has window units for the air conditioning. Otherwise, it's just water heated radiators. And let's go in. There's also give you the side view of the yard there. Okay. There's solar panels at 2 on the property. So let's go in. Okay. Nice little foyer. House has been completely repainted. Here's our living room. Nice high ceilings. Wood stove here. So nice to have the wood burning stove. Here's our French doors. Okay. These just were repainted. Will be cleaned up here the next day or so, having the glazer come in and replace a few of the glass, little pieces of glass that are missing. Okay, nice. All right. Tile floor in the foyer. The stairs. Okay. And the door to the basement is there. This built-in here will come with the property. Little closet here, which is full of things since we just got the place up to market. Lots of cleaning supplies, new light switches and things like that. This is that little window that you saw to the foyer. A number of people I've seen have put in stained glass or frosted the glass on that, which is a nice little touch. That could be done easily. Okay. Okay, wandering through. Let's take a look back from. Okay, here we are from the kitchen. And we had an open house today. I was serving mimosas, but great kitchen. This is the original cabinetry is here on this side, and then updated new cabinetry on the other side. The tile floor is really phenomenal. Love this design. Really works. We have a little wet bar sink here. Nice for just making coffee and things like that. So it can be a coffee station. There's a little recessed pockets there with electric. So you can have your grinder and everything can go back there. All the little coffee accoutrement kind of put out of the way. Okay, we have a Bosch dishwasher here. Put it basically, hip height. Makes it easy so you're not bending over all the way to do the dishes. Island with butcher blocks. The butcher block ties it all together all the way around the room. The original tile has been utilized. And then we have a nice farmhouse ceramic sink. Okay, induction range, induction cooktop. They're phenomenal. They've come a long way. Nice there, and a new refrigerator. Double doors. There we are. And the freezer down below. Okay, so we do have, as I said, newer cabinetry on this side, so everything has a nice soft close. But beautiful, this wood cabinetry here that was just so spectacular. It's nice that they didn't get rid of it. Okay, coming through. So this is the mudroom, but what an elegant mudroom. So sweet. Love it. So we have a little wash sink here. Nice lighting. The subway tile surround. Oh, my pet peeve. Both sleeves left up. Hate that. But anyway, so here's this. So here's our mudroom bathroom. Heated, and I should say the floors are heated in this room. They're also heated in the kitchen and the bathroom upstairs. We have a towel warming bar there. Okay. And let's go ahead and take a look out back. We'll cover this space since we're down here. Okay. So out, I have a wonderful garden in the back. Little side yard there. Okay, let's come back here. Wonderful area and just space to entertain in. Really cool. Love the detail. Okay, so the studio space back here has electricity, and that's it. Nice, large space, great space to work out of. Nice, tall, high windows. Really just a smashing place to be able to work out of. Just put in a utility sink here, just for washing up for crafts and projects. And a nice little marigold refrigerator as a little added refrigeration space for the home. Yeah, just what a sweet little quiet sanctuary. You can hear the birds chirping. It's just it's a little bird paradise here. Fun space again, as I said earlier. There's a wood stove back there. Keeps the place toasty warm. Yeah, lovely space. Upgraded electric panels. The entire home has had electrical upgrades as well as plumbing upgrades. Okay. Okay, let's wander back in. Established gardens. This is a cherry tree here. In the front, there's a peach tree. There's also grapevine running along the side of the property. And a little broccoli rabe and kale. Okay. There's a back stairwell there, but we'll take the front one and come back down. Let's go up. Sorry, I meant to have the lights on in here. So get these on. There we go. Okay, start with this room. So we have a little Jack and Jill room here, as they're often called. Nice, spacious room, plenty of light. Original wood floors. And we have the back area here to be used as an office also. Get a little more light here. Fantastic. Okay. Oh, and I didn't get this light on. So nice lighting here. This is down our back stairwell. Okay. Bathroom here. Nice upgrades. We wanted to keep the aesthetic of the original, so we have the pink and the blue We came with the house probably in the 40s. Home was built, as I think I said earlier, built in 1905. Okay. And this has been the primary bedroom for the owner. Right in here. Here we are. Okay. Nice custom radiator covers. Okay, now up to the third floor. Open and airy, lots of natural light up here. Great room. Love all the details with the roof line. So sweet. Really adds a lot of character to the space. Just really great. Yeah, a really solid home. The home is about 2,760 square feet. Plus we have the added, of course, cottage out back. The basement is also covers the entire length of the property, or the length of the home, but it is not finished. The laundry is in the basement though, right as you come down the stairwell. So anyway, this is just a great space, 475,000. It is technically a 6-bedroom, 2 full bath home. Could easily lose a bedroom upstairs and have another bath put in. That would be an excellent primary suite. I've seen that done with these homes. It's just a great Victorian twin, solid. It could use a few more updates, especially on the 3rd floor. Would welcome some updating, but wonderful home. Just what Germantown is all about, and Northwest Philly is all about. Homes that just have real character. Structurally, they're just built, phenomenally well with the best materials that would be hard pressed to find today, and are just really special. All the as I said earlier, electrical has been upgraded, and the plumbing as well, with PEX plumbing. So we're just really, very current with that. And back to the kitchen. Very special. So just wanted to make sure everyone got to see this space. I think it's really phenomenal and just indicative of what's really available. That's just beautiful and treasured homes that are in Germantown that are well taken care of and are ready for the next person or persons to call it home. Thank you so much. I love showing you these. This is one of my, just really proud of this listing. I think it's just a great home. Looking forward to selling it. We had a great response to the open house today. If I can guide you in selling your home and getting a home ready like this, I would be honored to do so. And if I can help you find a home that has character and is ready for some new lovers, I would be happy to help you find that space as well. So reach out to me, let me know. My name is Lee O'Malley. I'm with Compass in Chestnut Hill, and look forward to working with you. All my information is in my channel bio. Reach out and be in touch, and let's talk. Okay, thanks so much, y'all. Look forward to seeing you soon and showing you the next home. You very well. Oh, I didn't open this up. Let's do it. Let's open these up. I think they are beautiful. Well, there we are. There we go. It's really great. Open up onto your lovely yard. It's ready for an overhaul itself. There's our peach tree out front. It's really special.